Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to clear your transaction history on Google Pay. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Google Pay application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the application guys, you'll be greeted by that new page where you can go ahead and log into your account. So what you want to do is go ahead and log into the account from which you want to clear your transaction history from. So now after logging into your account, you will be greeted by this new page where you can see all the options such as setup, tap to pay and so on. So guys, you can see all your transactions right here at the bottom of the page. So let's go ahead and see how you clear that. Well, first, we have to go ahead and exit out of the application, guys. So what we want to do is go ahead and open up our Internet Explorer and search for Google My Activity. This is what we want to search for, and as you can see, the first result is welcome to my activity. So what we want to do guys is go ahead and open up that, and after opening up your activity guys, you'll be greeted by this new page as you can see, and now you can see all of your activity in your Google account for Google Pay. So what you want to do guys in this activity section is you want to go ahead and search for your activity right here. You can search for Google Pay and it will show you all the transactions that you have done on Google Pay. So what you want to do is find the transactions that you want to delete, and you'll be able to delete them all here right in your Google My Activity section. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.